Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable show date and time in the system tray on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable show date and time in the system tray, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Time and Language, click on Date and Time, and here you will find Show Time and Date in the system tray, and now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on, and look, now date and time is showing on the system tray in my Windows 11 computer. This is the easiest way to enable show date and time in the system tray on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.